window feeder. It's my most popular product. The birds love it, but also the people who buy it love it, because you can see birds at very close proximity. This is the bottom. You put it position there, under a slope. The reason why I use a slope, because the water will drain out.
Yeah.
So when you put the food on, the food will never get moldy, and therefore they will eat everything what you put there, and so you won't attract vermin.
That doesn't seem a lot.
You don't need that very much.
Materials from?
Well, the slate is coming from all kinds of directions, to be honest. A lot is donated, and I try to give it an extra life. So after hanging 100 years on the roof, I'm now trying to extend it with another, say, 25, even more years. Finished?
Yeah.
So another 3 window feeders. I would say take the window feeders with you, and that's a token from me.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's very kind of you. A lovely memory of today. It's been brilliant.
Okay,
You've been inspirational.
After seeing this clip, if you have something you would like to have made in Slate, we're happy to undertake commissions. Or if you would like to know more about what we do, we would love to hear from you and to see you.